So I came across some fantastic news straight out of Abia, the Ariaria Market in Abia State, which was once in such a very deplorable state, constantly flooded.
Hey, see my shop. Look at, look at, look at, look at.
Filled with potholes and always a nightmare for traders and customers alike, is now completely transformed. Although it's still on the way, but I think the A line is already ready and people are already coming in and shops buying are already underway. Yes, you heard that right. Thanks to the excellent work of Governor Alex Otti, Ariaria Market is now one of the most modern markets in Nigeria and, of course, the best. And people are already selling their wares in this high standard facility. Already? Wow. Talking about the transformation, you all remember how this market used to be, right? It was almost like a disaster zone. Every time it rained, the whole place, especially the A-line area, would flood like a river, leaving traders struggling to keep their goods dry. The roads inside the market, a complete mess. Muddy, broken, and impossible to navigate. People were suffering, honestly. But look at it now. This isn't just a market anymore. It's a commercial hub that's set to be the pride of Abia. In fact, the Southeast at large. And guess what? Governor Alex Otti didn't just do a small touch-up. He went all out. This place now has everything you'd expect from an international standard marketplace. Let me walk you through some of the incredible new features. A modern park, which means no more hassle looking for where to park your vehicle. Traders and customers can now park with ease, which is so important for a bustling market like Ariaria. Elevators, yes, you heard that right. Ariaria Market has elevators now. Talk about comfort and ease of movement. Fire station, safety, very, very paramount. And they've built a fire station inside the market for quick response in case of emergencies. You know how it is with Nigerian markets and fire incidents, right? Police station. Security is fully covered with an on-site police station, so traders and shoppers can go about their normal business without fear. Banking facilities. No more running outside the market just to find a bank. You can do your banking right there inside our area. How convenient can that be? Internal roads. The internal road network is now paved and smooth, making movements within the market a breeze. Power plant. Ariaria now has its own dedicated power plant, which means constant electricity, no more market stalls in the dark, no more generators, puffing smoke everywhere. And lastly, electrically operated doors. You all. This market has electrically operated doors. Can you believe that? Those that you can operate using remotes, you don't have to, start using your hands to move up and down, like I've always seen in even developed countries. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate just how far this market has come. This is a market that used to be the definition of struggle, rain, mud, and chaos everywhere. But today, we are looking at a place where people can trade with joy and happiness. It's clean, organized, and even aesthetic. Yes, aesthetic. Who would have thought would be describing Ariaria like this? The whole market is basically a city within the city of Abia. I mean, if you're not smiling while walking through those gates now, then I don't know what will make you happy in this life. Big kudos to Governor Alex Otti for this amazing transformation. He didn't just patch up the old problems. He's created a completely new experience for traders and buyers alike. So, viewers, what do you think about this massive development? Did you ever imagine Ariaria could become such a world-class hub? I mean, this place is known as the China of Africa, right? If you're a trader or a customer who has experienced the old Ariaria and the new one, drop your comments below. Let us know how you feel about this transformation, how it has changed the market scene for you so far. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Ebony People TV for more updates like this one. I'm Faith Ijriga, your favorite ghost host. And remember, if you've got a birthday or a special event coming up, let us know in the comments or give us a call. We'll shout you out on the next video. Until next time, keep sharing the good vibes and big ups to Governor Alex Otti for this monumental change in Alibu. See you in our next video.